Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create logos with Midjourney in 2026. So, if you want to generate logo concepts quickly using AI, Midjourney can help you create professional-looking ideas in just a few minutes. First, sign in to your Midjourney account and open the image generation workspace. Make sure you're ready to enter prompts and create new images. Next, think about your brand name, industry, and the style you want for the logo. Before generating anything, it's helpful to have a clear idea of the look you're aiming for. You can then refine your prompt by adjusting colors, symbols, layouts, or design styles to move closer to your ideal logo concept. When you find a version you like, use the upscale option to create a larger and more detailed image. This can make it easier to evaluate the design. Keep in mind that AI-generated logos often serve as starting points for inspiration. You may want to further edit, refine, or recreate the final logo using professional design software. Finally, save your favorite concepts and organize them for future reference as you continue developing your brand identity. And that's it. That's how to create logos with Midjourney in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.